अभी और भी इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है। जब भी मैं अवार्ड फंक्शन पे आता हूँ और शेवरले अप्सरा प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड अवार्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जो इसके अंदर हैं उन लोगों ने मुझे बहुत मदद की है। मुकेश भट्ट साहब, रमेश सिप्पी साहब, यश जी, करण, रॉनी स्क्रूवाला और बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स। तो एक अजीब सा it becomes your duty to be a part of this.
Well, I feel really happy. I was told just on my way that Coffee with Karan was also nominated. We didn't win though. But really happy that we're nominated, 40 nominations for Khan. And I feel very, very, very honored that the Producers Guild thought us worthy.
Out of the ones, the movies that you've said, Ishqiya has been one of my favorite movies. And, you know, with fabulous performances by Vidya and Arshad and Nasir Uncle. So I'm looking forward to that too.
Well, it feels great. I think you work hard, and Rajneeti is a very special movie for me. So, yeah, to be nominated for it, and I know people really like my part. So, yeah.
I'm very happy that we've been nominated. We're competing with the likes of big budget films. So it's really good that we've been nominated along with them. It just shows that content is king. And it doesn't matter big budget, small budget. In fact, I think 2010 has been the year of the small film. Love, Sex or Dhoka, Udaan, Peepli Live, Band Baja Barat, all have been appreciated, and I'm very, very happy about our nomination in the Best Film category.
I congratulate that we will definitely win some awards, but I don't know what. But being a part of nominations, with so many nominations, with new director and new hero, is a wonderful thing. We feel very happy that picture is being one part of the 5 pictures in lot of nominations.
I'm looking forward to Sajid hosting the awards. I want to see how controlled he's going to be today. I've come here, you know, when you come with no expectations, you have no, you know, reason to be disappointed. But you know, Dabangg has been nominated in a lot of categories, and we're all very excited. The whole team is very excited about that. So,
well, I'd just like to say that I think the entire team of Guzarish is very, very thankful to the media, the critics, the industry, and our audience for just being so generous with your appreciation for a film of this genre. It means a lot for all of us.
I think I really believe that Salman Bhai deserves that award. बहुत मेहनत की थी. In fact, I always used to tell him कि you know, I think जितना आप interest ले रहे हैं छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों में, from the dialogues, we used to rehearse the scenes so many times. So I knew that you know Chulbul Pandey is going to rock, and it really rocked.
So I'm very happy, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है क्योंकि करण ने बहुत मेहनत से My Name is Khan बनाई थी, और जिस तरह का भी अवार्ड हो, एक रिकग्निशन है, तो मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ अप्सरा का और सब लोगों का, और जितनी भी पब्लिक है, बिकॉज ये आई थिंक व्यूअर्स चॉइस अवार्ड है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सो काइंड टू मी, एंड आई विल वर्क हार्डर.
It's very nice. It's obviously it's the the beginning of the year, and to start the year off this way it's a nice feeling. And Apsara, I think, is one of the most respected awards that are there. There's quite a few around, of course, but it's one of the most respected. It comes from the producers themselves, and it's always a nice feeling. See, there's a good way and a bad way to look at everything. Of course, winning at Star Screen the Best Actress for Rajneeti was a very special moment for me. Now at Apsara, winning this award tonight was also unexpected. I never ask before or even really look at the nominations, because otherwise if you have an expectation you get disappointed. So I think it's better just to go to have fun. Of course, performing Sheila has been a lot of fun the last 2 nights. So we worked hard on the acts, and I think that I hope that they come out nice on TV. I've not seen them yet, but I'm looking forward to seeing them on TV.
I just want to thank so many people. I could do another speech here, because I really want to thank the Producers Guild, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that you get 2 Best Actress awards for 2 different films for 2 different years on the same night. It's unimaginable. I just feel so overwhelmed and so grateful to God for His kindness. I don't know what else to say, really.